Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix it if the cellular option is missing in your iPhone setting. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to go ahead and simply open up settings application in your mobile device. Sometimes you will see mobile services instead of cellular, and that's not a bug. It's actually because of your phone's language settings. So here's how you can fix it. For that, first of all, inside settings, you need to go ahead and tap on general. Inside general, scroll below, then tap on language and reason. Inside here, go ahead and tap on add language and then search for English. Once you've done that, select it, and when asked which language to use as a primary language, you need to go ahead and simply choose English. Your iPhone will reload the language settings, and once it is done, head back to settings and you'll then be able to see the option correctly labeled as cellular instead of mobile services. That's it. Quick and simple, the cellular option is back again. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.